Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano ang dapat mong gawin kapag yung Google AdSense PIN hindi dumating. Paano mo ngayon i-verify ang account mo para makasweldo ka sa YouTube? Kasi ako mismo, yung Google AdSense PIN ko, hindi din dumating. Why is Google AdSense PIN so important ba kasi? Because ito ang magiging key para yung accumulated revenue mo sa AdSense account mo ma-transfer na finally sa bank account mo and makasweldo ka na nga sa YouTube. And para mas makarelate kayo, I will make as an example yung steps na ginawa ko para finally makasweldo na rin ako sa YouTube. After ma-monetize ng channel mo and na-reach mo na yung verification threshold na $10 or 100 Hong Kong dollars, you will receive an email from Google AdSense informing you na nag-send na sila ng PIN via postal mail for you to verify your address. Just like nitong email sa akin dated December 6, 2020. Pag login mo naman sa AdSense account mo, meron din ditong notice saying your payments are currently on hold because you have not verified your address. If you may ask, bakit ba kasi kailangan pa ng Google AdSense PIN? Well, as per Google, kailangan ito to protect your account. It takes 2 to 4 weeks before mo daw ma-receive ang Google AdSense PIN. Pero since na-mail siya from abroad, pwede siyang ma-delayed. Kaya naman, nagbigay si YouTube ng 4 months time allowance for the address verification. Sa email, may note dito that after 4 months, hindi mo na-verify ang address mo sa Google AdSense, mag-i-stop ang ads sa channel mo, which nangyari nga sa akin. Quick tip lang, pag hindi dumating ang Google AdSense PIN mo within 2 to 4 weeks, you should do a monthly follow-up. In my case, October 18, 2020 ako na-monetize. So, supposedly, by November 18, 2020, nag-first follow-up na ako. But I failed to do so. So, nag-first follow-up lang ako by December 6, 2020. Paano mag-follow up ng Google AdSense PIN? Mag-login ka sa AdSense account mo. Then, dito sa part ng verify your billing address, click verify. And then, resend PIN. Then, done. Quick tip lang, before ka mag-send ng PIN follow-up and napansin mong may error sa address mo or nag-change address ka, i-correct mo na to before mo i-send yung PIN follow-up. Up to 4 times ka pwede mag-follow up ng PIN. And in my case, January 6, 2021, ako nag-second follow up. And then, by February 7, 2021, nag-third follow-up ako. And this time, I noticed sa AdSense account ko na you have less than a month to verify your PIN. Otherwise, your ad units will stop displaying. Bakit sa akin may ganito na kaagad notice, third follow-up pa lang ako? Maybe because delayed nga ako ng 1 month follow-up. So yung third follow-up ko, supposedly, ito na yung pang fourth follow-up. Ang consequence was, by February 19, 2021, nag-stop na mag-display ang mga ads sa videos ko. Nag-check ako sa YouTube Studio na wala din ang mga dollar signs. And then, tiningnan ko sa AdSense account ko, may notice nga doon na your ad units are not displaying ads because you haven't verified your address. OMG! What am I gonna do now? Ito guys, crucial ang stage na to. Kasi once may nakita kang ganitong notice, asikasuhin mo siya kaagad. Otherwise, pwede kang ma-demonetize. May kakilala ako nangyari sa kanya yon. Hindi niya kaagad na asikaso after niya mag-fourth follow-up, so ang nangyari, na-demonetize siya. At dito sa kanyang chat, sabi niya, oo, na-demonetize na ang channel ko. Hindi kasi ako nag-manual AdSense PIN. Ouch! Super sayang yung guys. Ang sakit noon. Pinaghirapan mo, madi-demonetize ka lang pala. Ang remedy is mag-manual PIN verification tayo. Quick tip lang, ano ang indicator sa AdSense account mo para malaman mong pwede ka nang mag-manual verification? Ganito, in your 3 follow-ups, pag i-click mo tong payments section, tong earnings lang ang makikita. Nung time na to, zero pa ang earnings so kasi di pa nag-update sa AdSense ang revenue ko. On the other hand, in your 4th follow-up, pag-click mo dito sa payments, may makikita ka ng red bar, parang alert message saying, to receive payment, choose a valid payment method. Basta nag-appear na tong red bar alert na to, it's an indicator na pwede ka na ngang mag-manual verification even if 1 day lang after your 4th follow-up. And now for the manual process, log into your AdSense account. Then, dito sa upper right, click Learn More. You will be redirected dito sa address PIN verification page. Then, scroll down. Dito sa bottom, click PIN Troubleshooter. In the PIN Troubleshooter page, number 1, are your earnings greater than the verification threshold? Click Yes. For question number 2, have you received your PIN? Click No. Next question, have you already requested for PIN replacement? Click Yes. Next, dito sa bottom right, click Contact Us. Mariredirect ka naman dito sa PIN information page which you need to fill up. Encode your name. And for the AdSense Publisher ID, punta ka sa AdSense account mo, dito sa left side, click Account, then copy mo tong Publisher ID, go back to PIN information page, and paste in the space provided. Dito naman sa Submit an Attachment, take a picture or scan any valid ID. Just like me, yung attachment ko dito was my SSS or UMID ID. Make sure lang na yung attachment ID mo, either picture or scan copy, clear copy siya para hindi ma-reject. Otherwise, you will repeat the same process. Choose File to attach. Then submit. Next, open your Gmail and right after ng submission, may email agad from Google AdSense. Informing you that your address has been verified. And pag-check mo naman sa AdSense account mo, dito sa Verify Your Address portion, may note also that your address has been verified. After may manual verification, na-restore din agad ang ads ng mga videos ko. Within the day also ha, sabi nila mga 3 days pa daw bago yun ma-restore, pero since na naasikaso ko agad, within the day bumalik yung ads ko. So very important guys, na asikasuhin mo agad ang manual verification kapag wala kang na-receive na Google AdSense PIN. Yun nga lang, need ko ulit i-on ang mga $signs in all of my videos. Okay na din because yung mga pangit na thumbnails, pinag-update ko din. That's how you do a manual verification process pag wala ngang Google AdSense PIN na dumating sa inyo after 4 follow-ups or after 4 months. And after this manual verification, the next step is to link your bank account to your Google AdSense account para ma-deposit na doon sa bank account mo yung accumulated revenue mo from Google AdSense para sumweldo ka na.